Hi, my name is Lilia. I'm from Russia and I make painting denim about 3 years, and today I'm going to make the video tutorial how to make the Starry Night on denim jeans. We will paint the denim pocket and what do we need for the process? At first we should buy the paints. You can use acrylic. I think you don't need the fabric paints for this one, but if you can buy both. You can buy acrylics and you can buy fabric paints. I use PBO, and as acrylics I use some Russian brand. I think you can't find it in your country, but you can choose any other acrylics. Just choose some good quality and it will work for the painting. Okay, what we need: brushes. You need to I think it is too big. The best choice will be something like this, not very thin but not very big. It is okay to make a little painting on the pocket. When I paint the denim jacket, usually I use the bigger brush, but today we need this one. So you need jeans, you need acrylic paints, and you need brush. What else? What about the colors? Today we will use different shades of blue. I recommend you to buy as many blue as you can find, like from the light blue till dark blue, like deep dark blue, because it will help you to make the painting more interesting and to make more contrast. But if you can't find them many blue colors, you can mix it with white color, and in fact I think it will be okay if you can buy 3-4 blue colors and white color, of course, because we need to mix different colors and to make different shadows of blue. And for the stars and the moon we will need the white color too. The next color we need, it is yellow. I recommend you to buy light yellow blue, or I recommend to buy light yellow. One yellow color will be okay. What else? You can buy green color, but if you can't, we can mix blue and yellow, and we will make green. And what else? Blue, white, yellow. That's all. Yes, I think that's all. So I want to show you the result, what kind of painting will be when we finish the jeans. It will be very beautiful art like this. I think it is cool. Usually it is the most popular, the best one, the best seller that usually people ask me to paint on their jackets. That's why I decided to choose this painting for the denim. Maybe it will be a little bit long process for you. That's why you can make a stop of the video and go to drink tea, coffee, to make some break, and then to continue the process. Okay, let's go.